Welcome back to Forza Motorsport. In today's video, we get to check out this thing, the Holden Commodore. So let's see how they look. This car has 288 horsepower, 303 pounds-feet of torque with 3,439 pounds. And so let's get to the fun fact. As per usual, this would be a thoughtful video without any fun facts about the Holden Commodore. So, this car's a rear-wheel drive sport. And why is it running all-wheel drive in this game? And it features a 5.0-liter V8 that brings out 250 kilometers, 295 horsepower-ish. Ow! Skill issue. There's some chaos. Who's the one that made me drift? Hold on. Even worse. Skill issue. I would never bring this car in the game ever again. So it has 5,200 RPM with 411 millimeters, whatever you call it, with 4,000 RPM. And this is a 6-speed manual transmission. So watch out when you shift. Yep. If the hands is gone, that means it's a manual. If it's not, it's automatic car. Why am I getting the same problems again?
Total time penalty is about a second.
How did I get the car, the red Porsche should got a penalty for that, not me. That's a skill issue. So, there's nothing to talk about. We can just continue the race. Why am I doing that? That's a skill issue. I ain't supposed to do that. I just got a 12-second penalty for this. Well, I'm not good at racing these. Bye, hello, bye. I don't know what that car is. Come on. We're in the top 5. Let's keep staying. How did I do a legal pass? How did I do a legal pass if I just... Come on. Let's get top 3. Third place, please.
Final lap.
210 kilometers. And top speed's 220. Yay! I know I have more. First place. How did the other guy? How do I have second place? A skill issue. Come on. Skill issue. Come on. I hope it doesn't put me at lower places because... And I hope... Yep, it did. At least we finished off dead. Not bad. This is built like a drag car, like a Thunder Chicken car. That's why I'm building this like a drag car. So, I invited my little brother to drag race for the first run I do, and then the second run I'll do it for myself. Dang, that was a pretty good one. Alright, quit the lobby. Come on, let's do burnout. Our burnout real quick. That was a good one. Let's quit the race and do more customization. Alright, so with 900 horsepower. Gosh, I have to spend most of my money for this. So, we're about to start. Let's see how we do. So, with our car, has at least near 1,000 horsepower. So, let's see. Let's go. And no, the Forza arrow. Oh shoot, no. Dude, I just got a penalty for having a skill issue. Maybe we can go like around like 200 something miles an hour. This feels like we're in one of the fastest electric cars in the world. Come on! Gosh. Going quick. So quick. We're only doing a lap. See. Stop making me have a skill issue. Gosh, McLaren! Move out of the way, or I'll do this to you. Yeah. Man, the McLaren that I'm racing against is fast. But don't worry, I might get him by the end of this race because we're going very quick, going like 200 miles an hour. Sorry, McLaren. Not already ruined. How is this a legal pass? That's a pretty good pass, honestly. Come on. No gain. Skill issue. No gain. No skill issue. Man, I got the McLaren just on time. Dang. Come on. Come on, the thing. Ew. Why is my Twitch chat monitor and my music monitors off? It's almost done. Come on. And across the line. 4th place. They just decided to give me 1st place for nothing. I just got a 1985 Commodore for finishing top 10 for this, with this thing. Oh, we're about to work on this cart. I'm gonna set this to bone stock so we can get some skill issue ready, because we're about to go drifting. Oh, keep that. Keep that, everything except for the hood. Keep. We'll put race tires, compound, brakes, downwater drift, tow bars. So, let's get ready to do it. I never saw this race before, so I'm going to do this one. 5 minutes, afternoon. Nobody. Alright, let's do it. So, we're about to drift this thing. Let's see if it works. I knew what's wrong. I'm taking all the racing straight hood stay transmission. Put that on. Alright, let's see if this would work now. Alright, let's fix it. Come on, let's drift. It's officially working now. Skill issue. Just messed up. No! Skill issue. Dang, that was a good one. 1634, that's not good. By the way, what the heck is this track that we're drifting at? Skill issue! Stop it! Gay! This is gay! Ow! Come on, stop. Stop with the skill issue drifting. Let me get it a little bit quicker for... Ow, skill issue. Please, let me know in the comments if you like this car or not.